welcome to Megan's Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make a spicy beef queso dips. I'm going to a party tonight, so my girlfriend suggested me to bring a dish and she asked for the cheese dip, so I'm going to make ground beef, make it spicy queso dip. Okay, so first off we're going to have ground beef. I have about 2 pounds here. We have Velveeta cheese. I have about 3 pounds that cubed up. I have 4 cans of Rito mild tomatoes and 2 jalapenos that chop up, about 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning, and a large white onion that I already diced up, chop up. So get started. We're going to start with browning the beef. Okay, so we're going to cook the beef first. And again, this dish, I'm going to put it into the slow cook crock pot for a couple hours, slow cook, after we mix everything into the crock pot. So first off, let's start cooking the beef. So I have it at high medium heat. I'm going to mash this ground beef down. So first thing, I'm going to cook the beef first, and then the next step is adding the seasoning. So we're probably going to cook this about 3 to 5 minutes until it's no longer pink and well cooked. Okay, so the beef is pretty much well cooked. Let's see some of this down here. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to drain the meat. So I'm going to turn this off. You don't want all the fat and juicy. So I'm going to transfer it over here. Make sure you drain the oil on this dirty, greasy layer of meat. Look how fattening it is.
It's very fat.
Well, it's watery come out from the ground beef and the fat.
That was a fat cow. They should have put that cow on a diet.
Fat cow. Okay. Alright, so now the next step I'm going to do is to brown the onions, and we're going to seasoning the meat. And so this is about 1 large onion. Next up, I'm going to add in the jalapeno. There's about 2 jalapenos, and it depends on your spiciness. You can add 3 or 4. And I'm trying to make it mild, so I'm going to see. Okay, then we're going to add in the ground beef. And This is about 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning.
My favorite.
Yep. If you like tacos, this is it. You can make a taco out of this ground beef. Okay. So when it's all well mixed, I'm going to add in about 2/3 cup of water just to cook down the beef. And we're going to let it simmer about 3 minutes, okay? Okay, so the beef has been cooking for about 3 to 4 minutes now, and the water has evaporated. And I'm ready to transfer it to the crock pot. Okay, so I'm going to turn it off. Smells good already.
Yes.
So I have the crock pot ready.
It does.
And we're going to cook at low 1 to 2 hours. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is to add in the cheese.
So you cut the cheese up like that so it'll melt quicker.
Yeah. And I had it warm right now, so we're gonna have the cheese. We're gonna have them out, scattered out evenly. So we add the cheese. Now I'm going to add the beef next. Then you're going to add the rest of the rotel tomato sauce, and we want to use the water in the can. Don't drain it. Use the whole thing. I'm going to take a picture. And now I'm going to mix it up evenly. Some more cheese. We're going to cook this at low for 1 to 2 hours and keep stirring. Like every 15 minutes, come back and stir it. Make sure the cheese are all melt well, okay? I'm gonna set this at high. So we set at low. Now we're gonna cook it for a couple hours. And cover it up. So we're gonna let it sit for a couple hours and we'll be back. Okay, we're back. It's about an hour and a half now. I've been stirring it every 15 minutes and I just switched the switch to warm now because the cheese are all well melted. As you can see, it looks delicious and it has the right texture. You can see it's not too thick and it's not too watery. Okay, so I'm gonna scoop out a couple spoons for serving. I have my cheese dip container here.
You don't need that much.
Me too.
Is that for us?
For you.
Shit.
Okay, so there. So while this is in the warm position, and I'm gonna let it sit warm for another half an hour, and then I'm gonna take this to my friend's party for a burner.
That toasted on the plate.
That's the thing. I'm gonna transfer this over here. And I have this burn part. Yeah, we got burn. Yeah, turn it too high, so it's kind of burn a little bit. But if you want it crispy, you gotta toast the chips.
And don't double dip.
And you can use any kind of chip, tortilla chip, flour, corn, whatever you like. Something that's it. That's a nice roll. Alright. Okay, so our pot is ready to go. And our chip is ready, so it's still a little bit burnt, but that's okay. We're gonna replace the chip. Here you go, my final product, spicy ground beef queso dips. I hope you enjoy my video and give it a try for your next party time. This is perfect dish for game day, party day, poker game day. That's where I'm going tonight.
Poker.
See you next time.